Hello, it's Jennifer with Divinethreefold. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. And today's video is going to be 25 in the Pilates Workout Series. And it's going to be a Pilates flow. It's going to be a great workout. You're going to get great abdominal work as well as moving your whole body. And it is always a great time to move the body. So everyone is welcome to join in this video. I will be doing modifications, but you listen to your body and go at your own pace, please. But yes, all you need is a mat, and let's get started. Okay, let's do this. So just lie on your back. I'm actually not even going to be on a mat. So again, carpet is totally fine, but let's go ahead and bring our knees into our chest and just take a moment here. Please pause the video if you're really stiff and you need more of a warm-up. We're going to do, of course, in Pilates, we love that about Pilates. You're really strengthening and stretching at the same time, but I still feel it's very important to make sure your body feels warm. So let's just roll around on the sacrum here. And opposite direction. Taking breath here and taking a moment to check in and see where you're at in your body. Take an inhale and an exhale out the mouth. Just let it go. And let's roll forward. I do want to take a forward stretch just so we're going to be flowing and we're going to be working those hamstrings. So just kind of sit up tall here and let's flex your feet and just take a nice forward stretch here. Lead with the chest. Try and, rather than rounding, try and lead and keep the back as straight as possible. And breathe here. You can put a little micro bend into the knees. And remember, it's not about how far you go, just so you feel that stretch. And breathe. Release and inhale, and then exhale and release into the stretch. One more breath. Excellent job. And then let's go ahead. We're going to go straight into our roll up. So we're going to have our legs in exactly this position, our arms out in front of us. Sit tall. Imagine the crown of your head extending towards the sky, arms out. We're going to inhale and keep those legs tight. Use those to assist you. Keep the glutes engaged and the legs. You can squeeze them together. Point the toes. And inhale and exhale as we draw the navel back down towards the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae by vertebrae, arms. The last go overhead. Inhale and exhale, drawing the chin towards the chest and leaning forward. Take this nice stretch here for those hamstrings. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Oh, that should feel good. Stretch here and down, slow and controlled. Now I want you to bring your right leg up and your arms reaching over to the right and back down overhead. Inhale and left leg up and reaching to the left. Alternating here. Hollow obliques. Imagine squeezing those obliques to the side when you reach. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And arms up. We're going to take that roll up again and reach hinge into chest. Lean over, stretch. Nice job. Back down. Overhead. We're going to do that again. Right leg raises, reach, obliques. Hello. Inhale and reach. Inhale and reach. This should feel good. We are moving the body, getting it warm. One more time. And arms overhead. Take that roll up. You can bend your knees slightly. This will assist you in coming up in the roll up. Back down, slow and controlled by keeping that bend. For my beginners, and up. It really helps to help you, assist you if needed. And up, we're going to come back down, slow and controlled. I might need to scoot down here. Now I want you to bring your arms down by your side, raise your right leg. We're going to do some leg circles. So we're going to go over to the left and circle. Remember, keeping the hips quiet. Pull that navel to spine and just make that, imagine drawing that circle onto the ceiling. Inhale and exhale as you draw it. Now let's go the opposite direction. Inhale and exhale as you draw the circle. Remember, it's how big your circle is. If you can't control your circle, make it smaller. Nice job. And let's alternate other leg. Inhale. 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. Keep that lower back imprinted into the mat. One more. And leg down, arms overhead. Let's take another roll up. Roll-ups are excellent. They're probably one of the best abdominal moves for those deep transverse abdominals. And back down. And let's come back up. One more. You've got this. Stretch here. And then let's come all the way up. I want you to open your legs a little, like a nice V, a little more than hip distance apart. Flex your feet, torso tall and lifted, arms out to the side. We're going to saw. So we're going to inhale and then exhale, twist to the right, and then saw off the side part of your pinky toe. And inhale into the middle, exhale, twist, and inhale and twist, exhale. Inhale, twist, exhale. Saw, that's where it gets its name, the saw, and you saw off that baby toe. This should feel good. We're breathing. We're moving. Strengthening. Stretching. One more time. One more time for the other side. Nice job. And then bring your legs together. Let's take one more roll down. Inhale and then exhale, drawing down slow and controlled. Arms overhead. Nice job. Then I want you to bring your arms down. Bring your knees into your chest. Take a nice hug here. You deserve it. Rock back and forth. Then I want us to come up to in our position for our roll up. For our rolling like a ball. We're going to breathe here and we're going to exhale. Your hands can be placed on top of your shins or crossed. Remember, you do not roll on your neck. So inhale and then exhale and balance at the top if you can. should feel good. Inhale and exhale. A couple more. Try and stay tucked as much as you can and balance. Nice job. We're going to throw another trick in here. As we go back down, come up, and I want you to open your legs. Hold back, and then roll back down, up, balance, open your legs. If this is too much, just do this right here, and that's okay. Then close, roll, back up, and open. Hold and release. You've got this. I hope this is feeling good. It should. We are flowing and out. Let's do 2 more. You got this. Hold it here. Hold it here. If you can draw into a teaser, excellent job. Hold it. Hold it. And release. Give a nice hug here. Roll back onto your back. Bring your knees into your chest. Take a moment here to feel that energy running through your body that you created by moving your body. Just feel that buzz from our breath work and the work of moving the body. Take an inhale and an exhale and let it all out. Bring those knees into your chest. You did such a great job. Whew, that felt so good. I hope that felt as good for you as me. So this was just a really quick way, excellent way to move the body, especially if you're short on time. You could actually repeat the series as well if you have more time, but oh, it feels so good. We've done and covered everything in this little workout, and it didn't even take that long. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's always a great time to move the body, and I can't wait to see you for next video. Have a wonderful day, and please hit that like button and subscribe. I would love your support. Have a wonderful day.